School District 73 is taking daily cleaning to a whole new level with the addition of electrostatic sprayers. The disinfectant spraying units will significantly reduce the amount of time it takes to ensure that all surface areas are sanitized and to prevent COVID-19. The innovative technology comes as the district works to keep virus transmission rates at zero. As Delana Nishaw tells us, the new cleaning routine will not only bring relief to custodial staff, but will also be more effective.
School District 73 is stepping up its cleaning technology to limit the spread of COVID-19 with a fleet of electrostatic sprayers on the way.
They'll be able to sanitize the room in 3 to 5 minutes instead of 10 to 15 minutes.
So you can take the tank out, super easy. Take it out, refill it, get the other guy to put it on so you don't always have to take that pack sack off if you're working in the crew.
The equipment does have a slight Ghostbusters look, but the technology delivers serious results. It adds a negative charge to the disinfectant as it is sprayed, which makes it cling to all surfaces and slows evaporation.
Most disinfectants say you need a 10-minute wet dwell time to be 100% effective. And with the electrostatic sprayers, we get that.
The shipment arrives in the next few weeks, and the sprayers will be used nightly on common contact surfaces such as desks and chairs. Should an outbreak ever occur, the entire building would then be disinfected top to bottom.
A big classroom, 10 minutes, but yeah, I think a whole elementary school took us 3 hours to do.
Yeah, but overall, it's a lot easier than the old method.
The 57 sprayers come at a cost of $123,000, but are covered through funding from the federal government. Each school will get 1 unit, with 2 units provided to larger high schools for the daily cleaning.
Right now we're managing that mechanically, trigger sprayers, rags, and it is exhausting work for the crews. They've been managing it, and I'm so proud of them. But this will actually speed up the process.
To date, there have been no confirmed cases within the district student body, but SD73 officials say an infection at some point is almost inevitable.
It's proportional. What happens in schools is proportional to what's going on in the community. And if we start seeing increases in cases in the community, then it's likely we're going to see cases in schools. But we have a plan in place if that happens.
On top of the enhanced cleaning practices, school district officials are on board with mask expectations and say they're doing what they can to encourage the practice.
We've got some challenges there. We've had some challenges on buses where students don't want to wear them on buses, so that's been a challenge for us, and we've had a challenge with visitors who come to schools and don't want to wear them. So, you know, we can't really issue a directive with respect to it, but we're hoping that people will respect that. You're visiting a school, wear a mask.
Delana Nishaw, CFJC News.